Hey guys, I hope you guys going well. So here I'm gonna show you how to delete database in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So open your Notion application and go to the page where you add a table or database or a board view. And in here you will find out your data. And if you want to edit any database, simply tap on the option what you want to edit, and here you'll find out the option edit property. And if you simply delete your database permanently, tap on this three dot option at the right side corner, and the last option you will see this delete database option. But you need to mind that if you once delete your database, all of the information that is included in your database will be deleted permanently. And uh, so if you need it future, you are not going to be find out it. So you can do one thing: you can duplicate the database and set it in another pages that if you need it you can find it. So if you simply select this option delete database, as you can see, if you confirm, simply tap on this delete database, and that's it. We're done. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.